potatoes waiting, the sharp knife starts to glide. We leave the bottom resting, keeping the side inside. The skin is brushed with olive oil, the pepper starts to fall. The salami sliced thinly is ready for the call.
We push the meat inside now to fill up every space. The coriander is fragrant, maintaining our slow pace.
The microwave is humming, the timer set to run. 20 minutes disappear now.